How to start working from home. It's not a requirement to have years of remote work experience to find a home-based job. There are few online jobs designations that are beginner-friendly. So, if you're nervous that lack of experience will keep you from getting a job, think twice. Check out these no-experience occupations from home that are picture-perfect for beginners. What are some common services that can make you a standout for entry-level online service provider? 1. Social media marketing. It is the practice of social media sites and social networks to market to businesses' goods and services. It embraces activities like posting text, pictures and videos that drives audience engagement. 2. Customer service. They provide the support to your customers both before and after they purchase and use your goods or services. 3. Article and blog writing. Tasks include showing detailed research on industry-related subjects, producing ideas for new content types and correcting articles. 4. Data entry. It's a type of admin work that includes using several procedures like typing and voice recording. 5. Online research. Internet researchers use their services to search the web for info on an extensive variety of areas. In this job, you can work as a freelancer, contract worker, or a direct employee of a group. And 6. Transcription. Is a skilled typist who listens to recorded files and alters that into a text format. Now, are you ready to work remotely? Or you are not confident enough to leave your work area for a remote position? Ready or not, if you're not currently working remotely but you still want to, you might be finding some ways on where to begin. Now, let's talk about where you can go to find those work-from-home jobs that you can quickly apply. Here are the best sites to find remote work. 1. Upwork. Upwork connects businesses of all sizes to freelancers, independent professionals, and agencies for all their hiring needs. 2. Fiverr. It is a great platform for freelancers to showcase their work, however for someone just starting it's hard. 3. Freelancer. This website features jobs for PHP developers, content writers, and web designers. 4. Flex jobs. If you're looking for remote jobs, flexible work options, freelance opportunities, or professional part-time work, Flex Jobs is here to help. 5. Outsourcely. It is an online job board for freelancers and remote workers. 6. Indeed. Their mission is to help people get jobs. With Indeed, you can search millions of jobs online to find the next step in your career. 7. OnlineJobs.ph. It is a Filipino job board that only caters remote online work opportunities. 8. We Work Remotely. In this site you can filter job posts by full-time or part-time. 9. Guru. It is one of the best freelance websites to find and hire freelancers online and get work done. 10. LinkedIn. It is not just a way to connect with people you know, you can also search for job opportunities. If you've been dreaming about a work-from-home occupation, stop hoping and start searching today. Stay connected with us on social media. Like us on Facebook at Work From Home Tutorial PH. And if you have any questions and suggestions, just send us a direct message. We are always happy to support you. And last but not the least, stay informed and up to date with all the important Work From Home tutorial. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please also hit the notification bell.